Your open box can be installed by anybody really, just a little bit of technical knowledge and some instructions that may get you through from this video, hopefully. So once you unpackage your open box, you need to plug in your SCSI dish, your HDMI or SCART cable, and the power, as well as the internet. You can use the Wi-Fi feature. I've just always used a cable just to link it up to my broadband. Once you've done that, you need to go into the menu. You just use the remote control for this, and you need to go to the satellite picture, and from there you need to pick a satellite. So you need to go to satellite list. So once you go into there, the one I'm using for the UK is Astra 1C and also Sky UK. So to select the channels, highlight it in the red and click OK on your remote. Once it's got the green circle with the tick in it, that's it selected. You can then exit from that menu. Once you've exited from that menu, you need to do a satellite search. Because you've chose 2 satellites to search from, you need to do a multi-satellite search. So if you go into your multi-satellite search, just the top bar there, if you go from left to right, will tell you which satellites you've actually got. You can choose what you want to scan for, either TV, radio, or TV and radio, and just do a blind scan and then click on search. I've already done this, and you can see at the bottom there that I've got Astra 1C and Sky UK 28A already searched for. Once you've done all that, you need to get yourself a C-line or an N-line. There is a link at the bottom of the page which will tell you where you can do this. The site that I use charges $5 a month, around about £3, and it can be updated. So from the network local settings, what you will probably see the first time you go into there is this menu, but there is a hidden menu, and to get into that hidden menu you press 6666 on your remote control. I don't know whether I can show you this. Yeah, so it's 6666, and there you go. You've got the cams set up. Once you've got your C line or your N line, if you go into your cam setup, if you're going to use a C line, you go into the CC cam client setup, manage config files, select number 1 and go to add. Simply click OK. The details that you get from the site, you put these details, the host, the port, the user and the password into there, and then select OK. Once you've done that, I'll just show you what happens. If you actually select one, it will tell you that you will need to reboot there. Okay, so if you exit that, just switch your machine off, and just straight back on again. As you can see, it's come onto BBC One, which I was watching before. But to select any other channel, I've got my favourites set up. So if I go into my favourites, if I go into sports, Sky Sports 1.
Joshua Barry is the man of the match. If you please present him with the champagne.
Two. 3. 4. Apart from your Sky, you get your BT Sports as well. You can get your BT in HD. MUTV. And so on and so forth. Apart from this, you've got your movies. And also your entertainment channels on Sky as well. The other ones are also the kids' channels. And your music too. I hope this video helped.